today I am going to attempt to make a video. Because I have an unhappy toddler and a sleeping baby who might wake up any moment. So, the other day I received groceries from the Walmart delivery and I didn't have enough time to organize everything, so I just kind of stuffed it in my fridge. So today I'm going to show you how I organize my fridge, or reorganize it, after a grocery haul. I've also been starting to freeze my kale smoothies like before I actually make them, so all I have to do is pop them in the blender and then add some water and juice. And then I'm also going to freeze some chicken, and I think that's the only thing I'm freezing. Yeah, that's the only thing I'm freezing, so let's get started. Somebody woke up. You gonna help me organize the fridge? Yes. All of these yogurts are expired. Such a shame. Alright. We're gonna start with the top shelf, and that's all the apple juice and milk. And pumped breast milk. Breast milk goes in the back of the fridge for us. Keep it nice and fresh. The next shelf down, I like to put the eggs and the leftovers. Close this. I like putting the eggs in this container. This is some leftover shrimp and fries from Culver's. Or wait, chicken strips and fries. So I'm just gonna put those in a little baggie to have a, you know, consolidate. The third shelf down, I like to put my fruits. The end. I got these fun containers from Target to keep your fruit nice and fresh. And they recommend that you don't wash them before you put them in the actual bins. I have this container for apples and oranges and pears and palm fruits, as I like to call them. I know some people like their apples on the counter, just like not putting them in the fridge, but we like our apples in the fridge. And our oranges, actually. Why are you so upset? And then that will go on the fruit level. And then the fourth shelf down, I like to put yogurts, cottage cheese, basically yogurts and cottage cheese, and any leftover greens. So like this won't fit in the vegetable drawer, so I'll put that on that shelf. And then we've got yogurts, and I like to put the string cheese in there as well. So I'll just get another one of these containers and put the yogurts. And then if we have more yogurt, we put more yogurt in this bin, but we don't. So we're just gonna put that. Actually, we won't put that in there so we can save space. The yogurt on that side. The next drawer is for cheese and meats. So we have our cheddar cheese, goat cheese, cream cheese, and deli turkey sausage, and turkey hot dogs. Lots of turkey. And that goes in our deli fresh drawer. Cheese goes in the middle. And the cream cheese goes on the end. And then the next big drawer down is the veggie drawer. So I have another big container that I got from Target that has right now zucchini in it because I plan on making some zoodles. And then we've got carrots, broccoli, mushrooms, and a red pepper. So I'm just going to pop that in the drawer. Okay, we're going to have to take a break to feed the baby, but then I have some leftover cucumber that I can possibly put in here. Maybe. Can I? I can! Yay! And then the bottom drawers are just the meat. So we've got some kielbasa sausage and some ground turkey. Okay, Mommy's gonna feed you. So here is the final organized fridge. Looks way better than before. Jet agrees. And now I'm just gonna get to freezing the chicken and making the smoothie packs right after I feed baby. As you can see, this is a totally different countertop because we moved. And unfortunately, I did not get to freezing the chicken or my smoothie stuff at the other house, so I got new chicken, new kale, new smoothie stuff, and here I am laying it out. After I just rinsed it off, I put it on some paper towel to dry and pat it a little bit. Put that off to the side and then start with how I freeze my chicken thighs. So I like to buy chicken thighs when they're on sale. I'll probably buy 2 packs at a time, and usually it comes with 10 chicken thighs, or in this case I think this was 8 chicken thighs in one package. Sorry if you hear my husband in the back, he's playing games. But I just separate them into 4 and then I'll freeze them. Make sure I get all the air out and I zip it up. Pop them in the freezer. Do a nice Clorox cleanup. Actually, I ran out of Clorox wipes and I still had some juice at the bottom, so I just took the paper towels, like the halves of the paper towels, and I shoved them in there and I shook it up to get every last bit of juice. Every last bit of Clorox juice. My mom taught me that. Thanks, Mom. And now I'll get to packing my smoothies. I start it just like the chicken. Roll down the bag. And I take the green off of the kale, or the leaves off of the stem, and place it in the bags. Decided that I could break this up into 3 smoothies. I added a bag. How do I not say so much? Because I say so all the time. So this, so then I did this, so then I did this. I need to cool it on the so's. I break up the bananas in half. Usually I do half, but since I had 3 bananas, I broke up the second half, the third half, whatever half, into 3 pieces and evenly separated them between the smoothies. Next, I move on to some frozen mango chunks. I don't really measure, I just do like two grabs out of the bag. And then I pop them in the freezer. Thanks for watching.